100 years of sourdough begins in a jar that holds patience and character, gathering flour, water, and memories. Through the seasons, bakers nurtured wild yeasts, traded starter stories, and watched crusts crackle with history. The host shares practical care tips from aging cookbooks, explains hydration, and demonstrates a simple starter refresh that preserves the magic. Personal anecdotes reveal family rituals around morning loaves, porch-light conversations, and the comfort of a warm oven after long days. Viewers are invited to start their own century-old circle by feeding hope and flour together.